Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'll be covering the Google Workspace updates for October 2025. This month brought a number of innovative updates, quite possibly the biggest of the year.
Yeah, exciting.
Okay, so I'll be explaining a total of 9 updates, so please be sure to stick around until the end. Let's get started. First up is the release of the image editing AI, Nano Banana. This feature allows you to perform highly accurate image editing just by typing in text. For example, you can take an existing photo and simply instruct to make the hair blonde, and it will naturally change only the hair color. Now it can even change a person's characteristics or use a photo of a room under renovation and instruct it to change the wallpaper to this color and the lighting to black to create a realistic final image.
This function is surprisingly good, free for use and useful for so many occasions.
Yeah, until now you needed professional software like Photoshop, but this makes it easy for anyone to perform advanced image editing right on Gemini. Next, the custom AI assistants you create called Gem can now be shared with other users. Previously they were for personal use only, but now you can generate a link from the share button and share it with team members, setting permissions for viewing or editing. For example, if you create a gem that answers questions about company regulations and share it with your team, everyone can get answers based on the same database. The permission settings of the source documents are also checked, ensuring robust security. A new feature has been added to NotebookLM that automatically generates flashcards from the materials you upload. For instance, if you upload training materials or book data, it will automatically create a set of questions and answers based on the content. These generated flashcards can also be shared with others as learning materials.
NotebookLM is becoming an amazing tool for learners.
Exactly. This is extremely useful for educational purposes, such as memorizing internal terminology or manuals. The feature in Gmail that automatically summarizes long email threads has been enhanced. At the top of email thread, a concise, time-ordered summary of the conversation will now be displayed. This allows you to grasp the contents of a long thread at a glance. AI functions, which can be operated with instruction, have finally arrived in Google Sheets. For example, by simply typing "AI, summarize this content in 100 characters, you can summarize the text. You can also perform sentiment analysis on text with prompts like "Tell me the customer's sentiment" in keywords.
Whoa, this kind of analysis was so complicated, but now we have a tool so close to us.
Indeed. Furthermore, if you ask Gemini in the side panel, give me a formula to put a circle in column G, if column F is completed, it will suggest the optimal formula.
Gemini combined with spreadsheet is amazing.
Yes. It's really great. This significantly reduces the time spent looking at functions, allowing you to complete your work within Sheets. Edit history in Google Sheets has become even easier to understand. By enabling Show Edit Highlights, you can see exactly who edited, which cell and fan pinpointed with color coding. This allows you to track past changes more easily. Google Chat is now equipped with a refine feature where Gemini suggests better phrasing for the sentences you write. By applying Gemini's suggestion before sending a message, you can create more polite and clear sentences. You can now assign a dedicated email address to a Google Chat space when you generate an email address from Spaces settings, any email sent to that address will be posted directly into the chat space.
It may seem like a small update, but it's a total game changer.
Yeah.
Some people have been automating email forwarding to chat, but now you don't need to do that anymore.
Yes, this greatly simplifies the management of inquiry inboxes or team-shared email addresses. You can check emails within the chat without opening Gmail and can also reply via Google Groups. You can now smoothly send Google Meet invitations from Google Calendar even if the recipient is using Microsoft Outlook. Previously, it required an extra step on their end, but now the Google Meet participation link will be embedded directly into their Outlook calendar. This allows the recipient to join the meeting with a single click from their browser, even without a Google account. The barriers between platforms are removed, achieving more seamless collaboration. From this month's updates, I feel that the AI functions in Sheets and the email integration into Google Chat are particularly groundbreaking features that will significantly change work efficiency. I highly encourage all of you to try out these new features. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye bye!